Hello, students. In this lecture, we are going to discuss next important topic that has been prescribed into your syllabus by Punjab University Chandigarh. So the topic under discussion is significance of technical communication. I repeat the topic: significance of technical communication. So let us begin with our topic with the introduction to technical communication. Technology has a very significant role to play in business communication today. Corporations are putting effort into their interactions with their employees and are seeking new and innovative ways of communicating with them. This has resulted in their adopting modern communication technologies like the internet. So, technology in present times is playing a very significant role in business communication. Corporations or the private sectors, they are putting their efforts into their interactions with their employees, and so to interact with their employees they are seeking and inventing new ways of communication with them. So this has resulted in their adopting modern communication technologies like the internet. So they are using new or the modern ways of communication like the internet. On similar lines, employees of organizations have also been able to improve the quality of their communication with the multiple channels that are available to them to communicate with their peers and managers, including online forums. So, to interact or to communicate with their peers means their companions or with their managers, they are improving the quality of their communication. A number of new technology tools have hit the market and are being used as well as misused by many. A number of new technology tools. So they are using number of or several technological tools which have hit the market and are being used and sometimes used by many people. So this is introduction to technological or technical communication. Technical communication is a field that includes any following form of communication that can help users to accomplish a defined goal or task. Technical communication is such a field that help the users to accomplish or to achieve any defined goal or task. The main purpose of technical communication is to assist users who need specific information on completing tasks using products, operating equipment, and so on. So, the main purpose of technical communication is to assist users. To assist means to help, to support the users who need specific or particular information on completing tasks using products, operating equipment, and so on. Technical communication also helps business in different ways. Technical communication helps us in different ways, like to be more productive and consumer oriented. Its very first support to us is that by using technical communication, communication becomes more productive and consumer oriented. Second is employers set goals properly, understand and complete the tasks successfully. Employers of any organization or any company, they set their goals properly in a proper way. They understand and complete their tasks in a successful manner by using technical communication. Next, use of or the support of technical communication to an employer is technical communication provides background so employers can get new ideas. By using technical communication, employers can get new ideas to develop or flourish their business. Technical communication is clear, concise, and objective. Technical communication encompasses an expansive group of documents, expansive in an expanded manner. It is not limited to information about computer systems or programming. Technical communication doesn't only mean information about computer systems or programming. Even companies that create products that are not necessarily technical still employ technical communication to develop, manufacture, market, and explain consumer goods and services. So, technical communication doesn't only mean computer systems, information regarding computer systems or programming. It even the companies or the employers of the companies that create products that are not necessarily technical, they still employ technical communication to develop, manufacture, market, and explain consumer goods and services. Means it can be used by any company or organization. Take for example a child's play set. In order to manufacture the playset, developers must create design specifications explaining the length and the width of each beam. Means we can take an example of a child's playset. In order to manufacture or to make the playset, the developers they must create design specifications which explain the length and width of each beam, the materials to use for each part, and the colors to paint each piece. The company must then create TV commercials and store displays to advertise the playset. That company, which is producing a child's playset, it must create TV commercials, means they have to give ads on TV and store displays to advertise the playset. Finally, the playset must include clear instructions so that the consumer can safely and accurately assemble the structure. Finally, the playset of that child must include clear instructions regarding that playset so that the consumer who is going to use that uh, playset can safely and accurately assemble the structure. Without the technical communication of the design specifications, the advertisements, and the end user documents, the playset would not exist. So, for the existence of the playset, all the process, all the activities of a process, all the elements which are included for the production of a playset are compulsory, are very essential, we can say. Without the technical communication of the design specifications, advertisements, and the end user documents, playset would not exist. So all these different parts of the process of production of playset are very essential. Next, there is purpose of technical communication. Purpose of technical communication is to make information clear and understandable in order to make business more productive and consumer goods more convenient. So, purpose of technical communication is to make information clear and understandable so that the business becomes more productive and consumer goods more convenient to the users. Technical communication helps to advance our economy by ensuring viable research and development, safeguarding design and manufacturing, and protecting consumers through accurate and informative documents. Good technical writing will, and below are the uses of good technical writing, but we have to discuss only the technical communication. So by using technical communication, we can communicate our information, our message in a very clear and understandable manner. And the technical communication helps to advance our economy by ensuring viable research and development. And so all these sentences make it clear that the technical communication is very essential or very helpful or supportive for us, like to be more productive and consumer oriented by using it. uh, the business communication, business can be more productive and consumer oriented. Employers set goals properly and understand and complete the tasks successfully. Technical communication provides background so employers can get new ideas. So, this is our today's discussion regarding the topic significance of technical communication. So, try to learn this, students, and tomorrow we will continue with our next lecture. Thank you. Thank you very much.